Too much money on the beef stuff. What I be for rap Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Hey, niggas ain't gotta respect, niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left, I love my cruddy to death. Hype Williams, Lil X, if he don't say it direct, give a fuck.
Sit back and let this moment slip away, 'cause I got my eye on you. I see you looking over your shoulder. Let me make my way over. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? You better look right, get a type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go and put your weight on it, 'cause it's alright. Do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see you. Get it, shout it, get it, shout it, get it, shout it, get it, shout it. Get it, shout it, get it, shout it, get it, shout it, get it, shout it. I guess sit back and let the night just drift away. So baby, what you gon' do? 'Cause I don't wanna lose it. Come on, keep it moving. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? You better look right, get it.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Nadula hair, and you guys know Nadula is one of my favorite hair companies. I absolutely love working with them and they always provide me with the most amazing hair. So today you guys, I'm getting you guys ready for fall and we are reviewing this gorgeous 99J Jerry Curly 13x4 frontal unit. Okay, now I'm not sure on the density for this unit, but the density on this one is very, very full. Okay, so we're looking at about 180 to 200% density, maybe even more. It's still like, you know, a free-for-all. I can flip my hair any kind of way. If I want to have it on this way, it's not like stuck in one place. If I want to, I can even like split it right down the middle. I'm not gonna do like a part, but I do actually want to show you guys the parting space, so I guess I will do like a quick part for you guys. So let me show you guys where the part is. It's your standard, you know, 13x4 lace frontal, nothing crazy. So this is a parting space. Now I also want to let you guys know that I did not customize this unit. I usually like pluck and bleach the knots in my units and all of that, but today you guys, all I did was wash the unit. That was it. I washed the hair just to make sure it was clean before I wore it. I let it air dry and then voila, I put it on with you guys. And I did not pluck this unit, you guys. As you guys can see, this is what my edges are looking like. I did add some baby hairs in the unit, but I didn't pluck this unit, not because I didn't want to pluck the unit, because I always customize my units, but it was just because I literally forgot to, and I didn't realize that I didn't pluck it until I put the unit on, and I was like, oh, I forgot to pluck the unit. So yeah, but nonetheless, it still turned out cute. It still looks amazing. The curls are popping, and this has to be one of my like favorite curly hair units from Nadula right now. I really, really like this one. I've been reviewing a lot of curly hair just because it was like the summertime. I know a lot of you guys were going on vacation, or you know, it's just a summer. You just want to wear curly hair in the summertime. Like, it's a no-brainer. But I wanted to get you guys ready for the fall season with this beautiful burgundy 99J color. I absolutely love this color. I think it looks so good on my skin tone. Definitely a staple for me. I feel like reds and browns look really good on me. Even like some blondes look good as well. So this is all of the hair up front, you guys. I did pull every last piece in the front, so this is all of it. It is so full, and and beautiful and curly. Like I said, this is a 24 inch. For reference, I am 5'2", so I'm not very tall, but this is where it's hitting me in the front. And then I will also turn around just so you guys can see what it's looking like from the back as well. This is where it's hitting me standing up. So that's where it's hitting me standing up. So let me sit down. And also, you guys, this unit did actually come with an elastic band in the inside. It is removable. I did remove it, but I did keep the elastic band because you guys know I actually reviewed a unit like a couple of weeks ago, and I had a and it had like one of those adjustable elastic bands in there, and I accidentally threw it away. But this one came with one, so I just like kind of switched it out. But this unit actually doesn't need any extra assistance. It has a very snug fit, and I'm so happy because a lot of times units don't fit me. They're usually like extremely large and just oversized, and I have like a gap, and it feels like I'm wearing like a hand-me-down wig, like I'm wearing my big sister's wig or something like that, you know what I mean? So I don't really like when the units are too big, but this one actually fits me perfectly. If you're someone like me who has a smaller head, then you're definitely gonna like this unit because it fits like a glove. Like, I love the fit of it. I also like the fact that everything lined up perfectly around the perimeter. It wasn't difficult for me to apply my unit because I have had an issue with certain units being so big. It actually makes the lace buckle up, and then the lace doesn't lay flat in the front. And I end up spending like 30 minutes trying to apply the unit, like not even styling it, just trying to put it on. So I'm really happy that the fit on this one is great. It's nice and snug, and it also has the adjustable band in there. So if you're someone who wants to do a glueless install, meaning that you don't use any hair products to install it, you literally just put the wig on and voila. You can definitely do that with this unit because the fit is perfect, it's nice and snug, and they also give you that adjustable band that you can remove. And the great thing about that elastic band is that it is adjustable. So, but all in all though, you guys, I'm really feeling this hair. Y'all know I love me a good 99J curly unit. I know a lot of you guys like it as well. And can we talk about the fact that they're putting like those silk robes in the packages? And y'all know me, I am infamous for wearing a silk robe when I do my hair. So I feel like that's just a little bit of my influence. I don't know, maybe they got it from someone else, I don't know. But I've been noticing a lot of companies adding the silk robes in their orders, and I don't know. I don't really watch other hair YouTubers, so I don't know. Do other girls wear silk robes in their videos? Y'all let me know, but I feel like I started that. You just gonna have to let me have that one, baby, because who gonna tell me different? Who gonna tell me different? So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really did enjoy it. If you guys are interested in picking up this unit, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Nadula Hair, for sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.